Hello friend, welcome back to another very exciting tutorial. Here are the easy IT. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the body position in Photoshop. Look like this. If this is your first time at Easy IT channel, then click on the subscribe button and enable the notification to get the more new video. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your Photoshop. Then choose your image. I will select this image. Then go into this layer and duplicate this layer. Ctrl plus J. Then go into this property channel and remove background. Here you can see the background will be removed. If this properties panel not show in your Photoshop and you don't have any latest Adobe Photoshop CC 2020, simply click this I button and watch how to install Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. Then disable this top layer and make a selection out of the mask by holding Ctrl and click mask thumbnail and going to the selection and click modify and expand. Then expand by 5 pixels. Then click on the layer below, go into the edit and click this fill and click content away. It will be remove the dancer from the background and enable this top layer and click this layer and press Ctrl plus D and go into the edit and click this puppet worm.
And now I can simply click on her to add points. And then I can click on the point and drag them to the different location. See, that's how I can manipulate her body. If I hold Alt and click on the pen, I will get this circle overlay. Then I can click and drag on it to rotate the points. If I right click on the point, I will delete it and the image shape back into the place.
When this process is complete, simply click this right option. Here you can see the body position will be changed. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.